Hi students, okay, now we are going to see how to do expansion, pengembangan bagi algebra. Okay, if you see our previous videos and other things, you have seen how to do plus, minus, times, divide and also things. Okay, sekarang kita nak tengok bagaimana kita nak buat expansion. To do expansion means kita ada one number times with two numbers. Example, let's see So, expansion dalam bahasa Melayu, perkembangan. Okay, to kembangkannya, let's see. Kembangkan ada dua jenis. So, the first one term with two terms. Okay, satu nombor dengan dua nombor. Or two terms with two terms. Dua nombor dengan dua nombor terus. Okay, so first let's try for the one term with two term. Okay, let's try and see now. Okay, one term with two term, the method will be like this. Katakan kita ada satu nombor macam ni, 2x plus 2. Look here, here got one term and here got two terms. Okay, so to solve this, we are going to do this one term will be times with this one and also with this one. Kalau you tengok video sebelum ni, my previous videos, times means saya akan gunakan perkataan lekat. We stick together. Okay, so kalau tak sama, which is different unknown, we will times with the number. Let's see So 2 times x, both are different, right? So we stick together, kita lekatkan je. So jawapan dia akan jadi 2x. Okay, so 2 times x, we will get the answer as 2x. Okay, let's see the next one. 2 times 2. 2 times 2, the answer is 4. The symbol dekat tengah-tengah ni. Okay, we have to see the symbol based on form 1 rules lah. Ini dua ni positif, ini pun positif. Positif, positif, positif. Clear? What if kita jumpa negative like this? Katakan negative 3 bracket 3x plus 4. So kita buat macam ni pula. This case, now here we got number and here also we got number. Dan juga ada algebra. So we do number and number. Cuba tekan negative 3 times 3. Negative 3 times 3 we get negative 9. And ada x, lekatkan x. Clear? Then we do negative 3 times 4. Negative 3 times 4 we get 12. Negative, positive, negative. Okay, so this is how we do expansion for one term with two terms. Okay, I give more complicated question. Let's see here. Okay, the next question that I'm going to give you maybe macam ni. 3x darab dengan x plus 3y. Okay, this one time this one, this one time this one. 3 times x. Here got 3, here no number. So just tulis 3. And here got x, here also got x. It means x squared, 2x lah. So you put it x power of 2. Okay? And then now this one and this one. 3 with 3. 3 times 3, 9. Positive, 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 9. X, y, different unknown, right? Lekatkan. X, y. So simple to tell, the same unknown, your work is put square or cube or anything, but the different unknown lekatkannya. If you want more information about times, you can look at my previous videos. I got put a video about basic algebra. You can check the video. In the video, I already teach you how to do times. Okay, so anda boleh lihat bagaimana kita nak buat darab. So ini kita just extension of darab, itu saja. So I give you another one question, the last question for one term times two term. So katakan like this, 5xy times by 3y plus by 2z. Okay, so kata kita macam ni. This one, number, 5 times 3, 15. X, sini ada x tak? Tak ada. Lekatkan x. Y times y, ada y kan? So jangan lekatkan. Bubuh y, ada berapa y sini? 2. Okay, so then we do this one and this one. 5 times 2, positive, positive, positive. 5 times 2, 10. X, here no X, lekatkan. Y, here no Y, lekatkan. Z, no Z, lekatkan. Understand? This is how we solve one term with two terms. Okay? Now we are going to do for the second part. Okay, students, let's see for the second part. For the second part, we are going to do two terms with two terms. Okay, tengok sini. Two terms with two terms. Katakan soalan dia macam ni. X plus 3, X minus 5. Okay, so we are going to do for two terms. Sini pun dua term, sini pun dua term. It means senang saja. This number is going to times with both of them, and this number also going to times with both of them. So I prefer to do from the first number first. So X times X, sama number kan? So we just put 1x, here got 1x, here got 1x, total got 2x square. Then x times negative 5, both are not same, so just lekatkan. Positive, negative, negative, 5 and x. In algebra rules, kita write number dulu, then only we write the algebra. Clear? Okay, now look at here. 3 times x, positive, positive, positive. 3 times x, 3x. Okay? Then we do the next one. Positive, negative, negative. 3 times 5, 15. Okay, then remember in that video also, the previous video, kita ada buat about plus also. Plus, like terms must do. Unlike term, you ignore kan, tak payah buat. So let's see the like terms ada tak. Sini x square, no x square. So there's only x square, so x square cannot do anything lah. Kita maintain kan. X, kita ada x kat sini pun. So these two are like terms. Like terms boleh tambah ataupun tolak. So it means yang ini dua kita boleh buat. Okay, so bila boleh buat, you kena buat lah. Okay, so now we tekan negative 5 plus 3, we get negative 2. And here got 15, number. Don't tell here also got number. This one is term of an algebra. It's a coefficient of an algebra. Dia ada x, so kita tak boleh katakan dia number dah. Dia sudah masuk algebra dah. 15 ni tak ada x, so it's just a number. So tak ada number saja dekat sini, so itu pun tak boleh buat. So we write down down the answer yang apa yang boleh buat dan apa yang tak boleh buat. So x square, we cannot do x square there, so we write x square here. So negative 5 plus 3 we get negative 2, and ada x, kita tulis x minus 15. Okay, so this is how we do expansion for two terms. Okay, let's try another one question. Y plus 3, y minus 8. Okay, so let's check. This one times this one, y times y square, and y times negative 8. Dari ini pergi dua line y times negative 8, lekatkan negative 8y. Clear? Then kita buat ini dengan ini. 3 times y, positive, positive, positive 3y. Positive, negative, negative, 3 times 8, 24. Okay, then we see like terms. Y square, no y square there. So kita tulis y square balik. Here got y, here also got y. Boleh buat lah. So negative 8 plus 3, we get negative 5. Negative 5y. Negative 24. Yang jadi, if you guys feel the susah also negative, how to do this one, don't know, just use your calculator. Just take your calculator, just tekan saja. Negative 8 plus 3, you get your answer negative 5. Just put negative 5. Kalau ada y, tulis y. Kalau ada z, tulis z. That is how you do plus and minus. Okay, what if two terms and dua-dua ada different unknown? Let's check and see now. Okay, katakan the soalan is like this. Tengok sini maybe the question is like this now. X plus y, then p minus q. Maybe macam ni soalan dia. Okay, tengok sini. This one times this one, x and p, different unknown, right? Lekatkan. Kita tulis xp. This one times this one, x and negative q, different, positive, negative, negative, xq. You nak tulis XQ, nak tulis QX, both are okay, no problem. Tapi selalunya kita tulis XQ lah. Okay, selalunya X is preferred. Okay, so then the next one, this one times this one, Y times P, positive YP, positive negative negative YQ. Okay, look at here, is there any like term? Sini XP, ada XP tak? XQ ada, tapi XQ and XP is not same, tak sama. Okay, so ini mungkin lelaki, ini mungkin perempuan, tak sama. So XP, there's no XP, so cannot do anything. XQ, is there any XQ? No more. YP, tak ada YP juga. YQ pun tak sama. So we cannot plus and minus because all are unlike terms. So we stop the jalan kira dekat sini. Okay, so this is how we do expansion. If you have any questions for expansion, you can put some comments and you can ask me. Thank you.